So, andito tayo ngayon sa Siena Park in Parañaque to check this new foreclosed condo unit. And this is for bidding. So, let's go and check this out. Second floor lang po tayo. Hindi na tayo nag-elevator. Lilac Building. Ito siya. So this is the unit. Again, 56.5 square meters. 2 bedrooms. Kitchen niya over and under cabinets. Then may exhaust tayo doon. Good as brand new. Wala siyang sira. And ito yung bathroom niya. Very spacious. Then ito yung isang kwarto. It looks like hindi nagamit ang previous owner kasi intact pa yung cover ng aircon provision. Ayun. So konting linis lang. And this is the other bedroom. Ayan o, hindi natanggal yung cover ng aircon. And ayan yung amenities or yung clubhouse. Balcony niya, maluwag din. And facing amenities. Ayan yung swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court. So this is as is where is upon turnover and available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. Again, this is for bidding. So if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Still sale na po to. Malapit lang tayo sa SM City Bicutan, sa SLEX, via Bicutan Exit, and Skyway. And malapit na rin sa airport. And then BGC to Makati, on a normal day, basta hindi traffic, kayang-kaya more or less 20 minutes. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Function area. Then ito yung gym nila. Maganda. Liit lang. Seniors Outdoor Gym.